Namaste, this is Dr Karishma Ahuja. Pregnancy is the most awaited and one of the most special phases in a woman's life. It is also a time for her to build positive beliefs into her mind that will influence the child inside her womb. Pregnancy is the best time to ensure that you give birth to a healthy and happy child that will grow up to be a happy, healthy, and successful adult. Everything that the mother is thinking and feeling is influencing her child inside her. And so, today, let's commit to feeding ourselves these healing and healthy words and statements. For this exercise, I recommend the mothers to sit in a relaxed position, sit comfortably with your eyes closed, keeping your hands on your belly as I take you through these beautiful healing statements, one by one. Before we begin, ensure that you are breathing nicely, fully, in a relaxed manner, as slowly as you can. Keep a smile on your face as I take you through these wonderful statements. I am blessed to be pregnant. I feel so lucky to be pregnant. I am grateful to the universe for this pregnancy. I give thanks to the universe for this chance to become a mother. I feel blessed for the new life forming within me. I am ready to become a mother. I celebrate and cherish this gift of pregnancy. I feel privileged and blessed to carry this baby inside of me. I protect myself and my baby by choosing positive thoughts and words. I deeply trust my instincts and my body to take good care of my baby. I love my pregnant body. It is radiant, beautiful, and blissful. My body is equipped with everything it needs to take care of my baby. I am always alert, in tune, and aware of my needs. I welcome motherhood into my life with grace, gratitude, and a warm heart filled with love. I allow myself to see the beauty and the joy in this pregnancy. I allow myself to enjoy this precious time with my baby. I am bringing into this world a perfectly healthy and strong child. I am always relaxed, balanced, and peaceful. My baby is loved. My baby senses my love. Our bond and connection is growing stronger day by day. I am always focused on the joy of meeting my child. My body knows exactly what to do to keep my baby healthy and happy. I love and approve of myself. I welcome, honor, and embrace the changes taking place in my pregnant body. My baby is safe. I know this is the perfect time for my baby to come into the world and bless our family. I know I am divinely chosen to be the mother of this child. I know that I am good enough to care for my child. I am strong and confident about this pregnancy. Pregnancy feels so natural and loving to me. My pregnancy is bringing me a lot of joy and support from my family. I trust my body. I am a strong and capable woman. I deserve to become a mother. I am worthy of motherhood. I am perfectly ready to become a mother. I trust my instincts to know what I need to keep me and my baby healthy and happy. I am ready to welcome my baby with love and happiness. I am enjoying my pregnancy. My baby and I are in the best of health. My baby and I are excited to meet each other and to share our love. Every breath I take makes me more and more relaxed. I am ready and prepared for a beautiful birthing experience. My baby is in a perfect position to come into my world smoothly and lovingly. My body is accepting my baby. I am grateful to all the people who are supporting me in this journey in my life. My body is helping me nourish and grow my baby. I choose positive thoughts and nourishing foods that help my baby grow well. My connection with my child is growing stronger day by day. I am ready to welcome my baby with love and happiness. My baby is strong. Pregnancy has been the best phase of my life. My pregnancy continues to bring me a lot of joy and love. My baby is safe and secure. I am so happy and excited about this pregnancy. I love my baby, and my baby loves me. I believe in myself and my natural ability to give birth easily, peacefully, and joyfully. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe, for this beautiful gift. Sit in silence for the next few seconds. Continue holding that smile on your face. Relax and breathe slowly and fully. And when you are ready, you can slowly open your eyes. These positive suggestions will help you be more present and enjoy the excitement of bringing your baby into this world. Listening to them daily will allow you to be stronger and healthier, along with helping you keep a positive state of mind and vibration, which really is the best gift you can give your child. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it and share it with others, and subscribe to this channel for more videos, tips and tools. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja, wishing you all the very best. Namaste.